Hello, everyone, and welcome back to MindCast English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Arlo.
And I'm Zara. Hello, Arlo, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It feels so good to be here again.
It really does. How are you today, Zara? You look very bright. You have that happy morning face.
I am happy today. I had a little adventure this morning.
An adventure? Okay, now I am curious. Tell me.
I will, but first, friends, if you enjoy learning English with us, please click like and subscribe to MindCast English. It really helps the channel grow.
Yes, and if you can, please share this episode with a friend who is learning English. They might love our simple stories too.
Okay, now Arlo, ready for my adventure?
Always ready.
So, this morning, I went to the supermarket, and Arlo, it was crazy.
Crazy supermarket? I love this already. What happened?
First, I wanted bananas. Simple, right?
Yes, bananas are easy. You pick one, you pay, you go.
Arlo, not today. Today, I saw a man with a huge shopping list.
A very long list.
How long?
It looked like a map. A big treasure map.
Oh, no.
He was reading the list, but walking and not looking. He almost hit the banana stand.
Did he?
Yes, he walked into the bananas, and they fell everywhere. Plop, plop, plop.
No, flying bananas.
Yes, one banana even hit his shoe. He looked down and said, "Who threw this at me?" Nobody threw it, Arlo. Gravity did.
That is the funniest morning workout ever. Banana training.
Yes, and he kept the banana. He said, "It attacked me. I will take it home."
Revenge banana. I love it. Okay, listeners, let's learn 3 useful phrases from Zara's story. It was crazy. Use this when something surprising happens. Example, the bus was late. It was crazy. Simple, right? Use this when something should be easy, but maybe it is not. Example, making tea is simple, right? Not for me. I love this already. Use this when a story sounds like it will be funny or interesting. Example, you have a dog story? I love this already. Let's repeat together. Ready? It was crazy. Simple, right? I love this already.
Great job, everyone. Okay, Zara, now it's my turn. I also have a funny story.
Oh no. Is it about food or your neighbor or your cat?
None of those. It is about my alarm clock.
Your alarm clock? The one that shouts, "Wake up, Arlo."
Yes, that one.
Oh, this will be good.
So yesterday, I woke up and the clock said, "Good morning." I said, "Good morning." Then it said, "You look tired."
No, the alarm clock has an opinion.
Yes, I said, "Don't say that to me." And it replied, "Okay, sorry."
Your alarm clock apologized?
Yes. And then it said, "Do you want coffee?"
No, Arlo, it doesn't make coffee.
I know, it only asks. It is torture.
That is the worst robot assistant ever.
So now, when it says good morning, I say no talking, just wake me up.
Let's learn 3 simple phrases from Arlo's story. My turn. Use this when it is your time to speak or do something. That will be good. Use this when you expect something fun or interesting. Don't say that to me. Use this when someone says something rude or funny.
Let's repeat. My turn. That will be good. Don't say that to me.
Great speaking. You're improving already.
Zara, I feel like you have another story today.
Maybe I do. Maybe something happened yesterday.
Tell us, please.
Okay, I lost my shoe.
You what?
I lost my shoe.
On the street?
How do you lose one shoe? It was windy, very windy. I was walking and whoosh, my shoe flew off.
No. Like a superhero shoe.
Yes, it flew across the road.
Across the road! Did it stop traffic?
Almost. A man on a bicycle stopped. He looked at the shoe and said, "Is this yours?"
He knew immediately.
Yes, because I was standing with one shoe, one sock, and a very confused face.
New phrases for you. Maybe I do. A playful way to say yes. Across the road. Something moves from one side of the road to the other. A confused face. When you don't understand what is happening.
Repeat after us. Maybe I do. Across the road. A confused face.
You're doing great.
Okay, everyone, listen to this short story.
Short story. My shoe flew across the road. A man picked it up. He said, "Is this yours?" I said, "Yes, thank you."
Now let's discuss. What happened? The shoe flew. The man picked it up. Zara got it back.
Now listen again. My shoe flew across the road. A man picked it up. He said, "Is this yours?" I said, "Yes, thank you."
Good job. Repetition helps your English grow.
Wow, we had so many funny stories today.
Yes, bananas on the floor, a talking alarm clock, and a flying shoe.
Let's review today's key phrases. It was crazy. Simple, right? My turn. Don't say that to me. Across the road.
Great job, everyone. You learned real English in a fun way.
And thank you for spending time with us. We are so happy you are here.
Please like this episode, subscribe to MindCast English, and share it with your friends.
And here is our question for you. What made you laugh this week?
We love reading your stories. They make our week brighter.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.